Tired of juggling multiple tools to run your business? Let's dive into Zoho vs GoHighLevel to see which all-known platform reigns supreme. First up, Zoho. Known for its comprehensive CRM, Zoho excels at managing customer relationships, tracking leads, and providing detailed sales analytics. Its strength lies in its modular approach, allowing you to pick and choose the apps you need. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, is built for agencies and businesses that want a complete marketing and sales solution in one place. It packs powerful features for building websites, automating marketing campaigns, and managing your online reputation. When it comes to marketing automation, Zoho offers a robust suite of tools, allowing you to create targeted email campaigns, automate social media posts, and build complex workflows to nurture leads. GoHighLevel's marketing automation is equally impressive, focusing on SMS marketing, building high-converting funnels, and automating appointment scheduling to drive sales. Now, let's talk pricing. Zoho offers a variety of tiered plans, catering to different business sizes and needs. Its pricing is generally considered more budget-friendly, especially for smaller businesses. GoHighLevel's pricing is more geared towards agencies and businesses that need a comprehensive suite of tools. While it may be pricier upfront, it offers significant value for those leveraging its full potential. Integration is key. Zoho boasts a vast ecosystem of integrations, connecting with hundreds of popular apps and services, ensuring seamless data flow across your business. GoHighLevel also offers robust integration capabilities, primarily through its API and integrations with popular marketing tools, allowing you to connect with your existing tech stack. So, which platform is better? Ultimately, it depends on your specific needs. Zoho is a great choice for businesses seeking a modular and affordable CRM solution, while GoHighLevel is ideal for agencies and businesses that want an all-in-one marketing and sales powerhouse.